How to connect YouTube to a Hyundai Smart TV. Follow these steps to connect and enjoy YouTube on your Hyundai Smart TV. Step 1. Check for YouTube app availability. Turn on your Hyundai Smart TV and navigate to the App Store or Smart Hub, depending on your TV model. Use the search feature to check if the YouTube app is pre-installed or available for download. Step 2. Download the YouTube app, if necessary. If the app is not pre-installed, search for YouTube in the TV's App Store. Select the app and click Install or Download. Wait for the app to finish installing. Step 3. Launch the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app from your TV's app menu. The app will display an option to sign in or connect a device. Step 4. Sign in using a QR code or TV code. Choose Sign in on the TV and you'll see options for signing in. QR code. Use your smartphone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the TV. Follow the link that appears and log in with your Google account. TV code. Go to youtube.com/activate on your smartphone or computer. Enter the code shown on the TV and log in with your Google account. Step 5. Use the cast option. Optional. Ensure your TV and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Tap the cast icon, rectangle with Wi-Fi symbol, and select your Hyundai TV from the list of devices. Step 6. Start watching. Once connected, you can browse and watch YouTube videos directly on your Hyundai Smart TV. Use your TV remote to navigate or control the playback from your smartphone. If your Hyundai TV does not have the YouTube app or does not support smart features, you can use a streaming device like Chromecast, Fire Stick, or Roku to connect YouTube to your TV.